In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube link to your Instagram story. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up YouTube and then you want to find that video you want to share on your Instagram story. So let's say this is the video, for example. Then you click on this share button and you click on copy link. You go back to Instagram. Once you're in Instagram, just post a story like usual. Let's say I want to take this as a photo, and then you just tap on the screen or like drag from bottom to the up so that you get this. You will see this link thingy, and here just paste that YouTube link you saw. Of course, you can customize a sticker text to say something like, I don't know, Mr. Neist, and then you click done, and it will be added as Mr. Neist, and then once you post it to your story, if we go take a look at the story, if I click here and visit link, even wait until it loads up, it takes it straight to the video, and that's basically it. That's how you do it. If this video has helped you out, leave a like, subscribe, and comment something like this video helped me out. If it didn't, let me know in the comments below and I will help you.